So what is Panera Bread app? So just try to install it. As you can see, this app has over 1 million ratings. Um, yeah, you can just order all the things from Panera, um, like what you like. And yeah, so that's the idea. There is a fresh new way to be a sipper. Enjoy your favorite drinks all year round. Use annual plan and save 17%. Plus, you will earn a $0 delivery fee for the year. And with the Panera Bread app, it's now even easier to enjoy all your Panera favorites, from a rapid pickup and contactless dine-in to convenient and quick delivery. We bring the comfort and the comfort food right to you. Discover crave-worthy classics, find a new go-to meal, redeem your well-earned rewards, or join the unlimited Sip Club crew. So that's basically how it works. Yeah, you can just open up the app, and then yeah, you'll just be able to uh, create an account. So yeah, it seems there is some kind of error, but yeah, there you have it.